Micheál is doing an amazing job, a phenomenal job in terms of rebuilding the party, in terms of rebuilding trust in the party as well. I've walked a lot of roads with him in the last 4 years in terms of canvassing, in terms of campaigns, and I see the reaction he gets from people. They want to hear from him, they want to hear about him, they want to hear what he's doing. They believe in a lot of the stuff he's doing. Micheál went out there, fought the Senate campaign against Fine Gael, Labour and Sinn Féin, and was part of the reason the Senate campaign that we won the campaign, we won the argument there. He went out there, fought the argument in relation to a load of issues. He never shies away from debate. And most importantly, he never shies away from the shoot either, from actually, where you guys aren't in a housing estate in X part of the country on a Tuesday night, knocking on doors, actually hearing directly from people and not shying away from hearing from people. He's brought that commitment, that energy and that passion to the party. And we are a long way on as a party, as we just said, because of the leadership of Micheál Martin, and I've no doubt we'll go a lot further.
Would you like to succeed him someday?
I actually don't think about it. It's not going to be a vacancy for a long time, hopefully. I don't wake up every morning thinking, Jesus, I want to be leader for Fianna Fáil. If and when the vacancy arises, which won't be for a long time, the first people I'll talk to is my family, and we'll have chats after that. But that's not something I wake up about. I wake up every morning thinking, all right, what are we going to do today? What are we going to do to move this on? What are we going to do to deal with the various problems that you have? And that's what keeps it going.